Want to keep your bike's transmission running smoothly? In this video, we'll show you how to clean it effectively so you can enjoy a smooth and effortless ride every time. Today, we'll be using Motul's Bike Chain Clean, Frame Clean, and Chain Lube. These products are specifically designed to give your bike the thorough cleaning it needs after a ride. You'll also need a pair of chain pliers, a cleaning tray or a container, and a microfiber cloth. If your bike chain has a quick link, that's your starting point. It's usually a link that looks a bit different from the others, a little thicker or maybe a different colour. To remove the chain, use quick link pliers or your hands to unlock the quick link. Once it's open, carefully take the chain off the bike so we can give it a deep clean. Now, grab your Motul Bike Chain Clean and spray it generously over the entire chain and wait 5 minutes. This will help loosen up all the dirt and grime that builds up during your rides. Spray a generous amount of chain cleaner to completely cover the chain and let it soak for a few minutes. That will really help break down any grease or dirt that's stuck on. When using Motul Chain Clean, you don't need to use half a bottle. A small amount goes a long way. Make sure you save some for the next cleaning session. After your chain has been soaking for a few minutes, take a non-abrasive brush and give the chain a good scrub. This will help remove any remaining dirt and residue, leaving your chain spotless. Don't forget to clean the rest of the transmission. That means the cassette, chainring, derailleur, jockey wheels, and sprockets. Spray Motul Bike Chain Clean on all these parts and use a cloth to get rid of any encrusted dirt. After your chain has had a good soak, pull it out and wipe off any excess residue with a cloth. Now let's make sure the frame is looking great too. Spray Motul Frame Clean all over the bike. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and use a cloth to wipe down the frame and other components. And the best thing about Motul Dry Clean is that you don't even need any water, just a microfiber cloth. Now the chain is clean, it's time to put it back on the bike. And for the final step, chain lubrication. Motul Chain Lube protects against friction and corrosion, so your chain will run smoother and last longer. Shake the bottle well and apply it evenly to the inside of the chain while turning the pedals. And that's it! A clean transmission and a well-lubricated chain will make your rides much smoother and more efficient. Make sure to clean your bike after every ride to keep it in top condition. Thanks for watching and see you next time.